emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KSTP-TV. We will continue to serve the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. If you are not in this local area, tune now to stations providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Hundreds of thousands of escaped zoo animals have been reported in several cities across the United States. These cities include San Diego, Columbus, St. Louis, Orlando, Chicago, Los Angeles, Detroit, Minneapolis, Washington, D.C., Portland, Oregon, Phoenix, Philadelphia, Cincinnati, Milwaukee, New York City, Columbia, Houston, Denver, and Omaha. These animals are causing massive damage, injuries, and fatalities all around these areas. Approximately 500,000 animals, ranging from lions, tigers, bears, wolves, foxes, hyenas, leopards, jaguars, cougars, sheep, hyenas, coyotes, and African wild dogs have been reported in these areas. It has been confirmed that the cause of this situation is a terrorist attack against the United States, as the security systems in the zoos were hacked by an unknown foreign source. It is expected that more zoos will have escaped animals within the next 3 hours. Animal control officers are having a difficult time eliminating these beasts, and were attacked while doing so. They have no fear of humans, and will kill anyone on sight. Approximately 250,000 fatalities, and about 1,750,000 injuries have been reported due to the situation. Due to animal control officers being unable to eliminate these creatures, the United States government has agreed to firebomb the cities previously mentioned in order to kill these animals. These bombs are non-nuclear, but are still very dangerous, and will cause massive damage to the impacted area. It is expected that the planes that will firebomb are expected to arrive within the next 15 minutes. All residents within a 50-mile radius of these cities are advised to seek shelter immediately. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Close all fireplace dampers and vents. And seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Take an important set of supplies to your shelter, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio to last you and your family for at least 2 weeks. Do not approach these animals as they are extremely dangerous. The President is expected to speak on all news and radio stations shortly. Tune into local TV and radio stations for more information on this dangerous situation. Please stand by for a message from a representative of the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, today is one of the darkest days in American history. An attack is currently taking place against the United States. Terrorists from an unknown country have hacked into security systems at several zoos across our country, making several extremely dangerous predatory animals escape and cause havoc across our great nation. Approximately 500,000 animals have been reported roaming the streets in several of our cities, and this is expected to spread across the rest of the country within the next 3 hours. Approximately 250,000 fatalities and 1,750,000 injuries have been reported due to this situation. Myself, along with the United States government, have agreed to firebomb cities with loose animals due to animal control being unable to capture these beasts. These bombs will be dropped within the next 15 minutes. Please stay safe during this dark time. Stay positive and have hope. Remain calm. Do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse than it already is. We will hope this firebombing is successful so these animals cause no more havoc. After the firebombing, we hope to rebuild the damaged areas into their former glory. This ends my message, and God bless the United States of America.
That was a message from a representative of the President. We now return to the emergency alert system. This concludes activations of the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.